pocket to feed them, my nigga. I bought trying to get something to eat inside Jimbo's. And now a year and some change later, you know how many times I see you? You know how many times I see you? Because I got a special scheme. You whack nigga, man. Just be happy with your kids, man. I swear to God, I can fucking knock your fucking head off right now, man. Like, you a whack nigga, man. And you need to teach your fucking children something better than that, man. Teach your children something better than that, man. Y'all niggas running around making $200-300 a day off the train, off a scheme, man. That's whack. That's whack. When I saw him, he was way shorter than that. He done grew up, man. Your scheme is whack, my nigga. Get a job like the rest of us do, man. Get a job. Show your kids the right way. Teach your kids the right way, my nigga. Please, brother. Please, man. I gave you my last month. That's why I'm saying this to you. I gave you the last fucking dollars I had in my fucking pocket to my name, man. Because you fucking hurt me. You see a fucking black man in the fucking street with his kids? That shit hurt. That shit hurt. But to tell me a year and a half later, you still ain't made no progress, my nigga? I see you 13 times. I see you 13 times since that time I gave you that money. Pulling this same scheme, my nigga, like, this is one hell of a scheme, man. Nah, that's not the way. That's not the way. Go get a job, my nigga. Go get a job. Show your fucking children how to do it. They're not giving it work, but I'm gonna let somebody say, what do you think my kids have now? My children is school. That's what I'm about. All right, so what you doing is fuck welfare, man. That's not the way to teach your fucking children, man. You don't fucking teach your children how to come up on welfare. I'm sorry, Dick. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I promise you, there's nothing wrong with that. I told you, please understand where I'm going. Only way we want to get inside these apartments is that for welfare. Y'all need to pass and all that shit. That's the only shit I can help us. That's the last